I cannot believe you did this for 600. I want to see the receipts. I really cannot believe you did this for 600.
Two designers will digitally remodel the same room. The twist, they'll utilize a random trend and budget to put their creative expertise to the test. And this is Design That Trend Challenge.
Hi, I'm Cameron, and I'm an interior designer and prop stylist. And when it comes to design, I would describe my style as organic and lived in.
I'm Jasmine, and I'm a realtor with an eye and passion for interior design, and how I would describe my style would be moody, refined maximus, yet functional.
Love that.
To select our challenge, the Lowe's team has set aside two buckets, one with a trend and one with a budget.
Okay, drum roll.
Yep.
Okay. Ooh, Modern Farmhouse.
Oh my gosh, love it.
Modern Farmhouse is an updated take on traditional farmhouse, using light neutral tones, muted accent colors, nature-inspired decor, reclaimed woods, and comfy furniture.
Now the real challenge, budgets.
All right.
Oh,
3,000.
okay, let me see what I have. 600.
There you go. You can do a lot with that.
Absolutely.
Now it's time to show Jasmine and Cameron the room they will be designing.
Nice.
Ooh, this is cool.
Corner vanity.
I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
Wow, because I don't. So that's great. So now that we've seen the space, let's go see some samples and start designing.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's get started.
So first thing I'm gonna do is drop in a vanity that I saw in store. It has some color, it has lots of storage. It's great. If I do want to spend a little bit more on my budget, I can pop in this piece that has a little more character. It's a little more showstopper.
We're gonna do a darker stain, and then just to add some character, I wanna do a rattan wallpaper on the front of the doors.
So what I'm gonna do is flanking sconces on the mirror. That way it really lights up the space from above and below, and it really puts a nice glow on the skin.
Paint color, which is a big thing for me, would be the two tones. I think it just, for one, captivates that modern farmhouse style even more, but still being budget friendly. And then mirrors. Who doesn't love the mirror?
So another architectural detail I can throw into the space are these faux wooden beams to the ceiling, just to add some age and character as well. You see that often in modern farmhouse. I need to refine this and see what I come up with for the final design.
I cannot wait to finalize my design.
Now, it's time for Jasmine and Cameron to reveal their rendered designs to each other.
I'm excited to see it. Are you ready?
I am ready, if you're ready.
Yes.
All right.
Oh my gosh,
Cameron,
Jasmine.
I love, this is so good. Oh my gosh.
I cannot believe you did this for 600. I want to see the receipts. I really cannot believe you did this for 600.
This looks amazing. You got a whole new door? He has a whole new door.
I did. So your vanity, tell me how you achieved this look.
So of course I could not change it. So I had to make sure that I maximized my budget by just simply staining it.
Nice.
As well as adding a new vanity top, which I thought was a perfect touch. It definitely made it a very clean and sleek look. This barn door, please tell me more about it.
It was already a problem. It almost hit that vanity. No one wants to do a little shimmy dance in the bathroom to get in.
The most awkward thing about coming in and out of the bathroom is if the door is hitting the vanity. Your floors, please tell me. These are beautiful. Pill and stick or no?
They're not pill and stick.
Okay.
It's real tile. It is individual, so there's a little more
so
DIY
cool.
customization that you can do with individual tile. I could really create any pattern, but I figured why not do a diamond checkered floor just for interest.
So let's compare this to the original design. Look how far we've come. It has literally transformed this entire space and truly captivated what modern farmhouse is. And I'm super proud of us. The fact that no matter what your budget is, you can do whatever.
Everybody, let us know down in the comments what you love most about our designs and what trends you like to see us take on next.
Yes, be sure to like and subscribe this video. Until next time.